everybody. So as promised, we said that we would go kayaking this weekend. Yeah, we've just left the hotel and now we are going to go kayaking. We are in Yangpyeong. And Jaggi, what is this kayaking place called?
This place called 동동카누.
동동카누, and it's really close to where we stayed at Cherryville Hotel, hey? Like,
Yeah, exactly.
how far?
Just like 1.7 kilometer.
Yeah, so we highly recommend if you stay at Cherryville Hotel that you come and do this afterwards. Or actually, we were going to do this last night, right?
Yeah.
But we were enjoying the pool so much, so we decided to come this morning. So yeah, what are the times, Jaggi? You can talk about it.
I think we can play on 9, 10 every
hour,
every
yeah,
hour,
up until the evening. And it is so beautiful, guys, like check. And we're pretty sure we're gonna have a private class, so double day bark, I saw. So yeah, let's give you guys a tour. Did you enjoy it, Jaggi?
I've enjoyed so much.
You're right. I think this is much easier than our canoe experience, where we fought a
진짜.
lot because we were sharing a canoe, and the canoes ginger not nearly as stable. So this was ginger 대박. So Jaggi, how much? Do you want to tell everybody how they can book? Blah blah blah.
So we can book online on the neighbor website. Yeah, like it's cost about 12,000 won on the line. Yeah.
Ginger, very good price, and we had like the entire place to ourselves, which was great. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notifications on. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요.